Before the Huntsville Hamfest kicks off, we've got something special planned. Radios, food, fellowship, and a chance to support the future of amateur radio education. Today, I'm inviting you to join our charity Parks on the Air event and cookout at Monte Sano State Park, happening exactly 1 week as of this recording. And if you can't make it, I've got a way you can contribute. Stick around, y'all. Guys, I appreciate you tuning in. Welcome to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, A4WX. Thanks for being here. Guys, we got an exciting event coming up. We're about a week away from the Huntsville Hamfest as of this recording, but we're kicking it off bigly in big style. Friday, August 15th at Monte Sano State Park. This event is about more than just making contacts and flipping burgers. We're raising money for the ARRL Teachers Institute, a program that helps educators bring amateur radio into classrooms. This means building stations in schools, getting kids on the air, and introducing them to science, technology, and community that makes ham radio so unique. So if you've been in the hobby for a while, you know how important it is to get the younger generations involved. Without that, the future of amateur radio fades. The Teachers Institute gives teachers the tools and training to make sure that doesn't happen. And this year, our POTA cookout and POTA event, I should say, will directly support that mission. So we'll be set up at Monte Sano State Park, just outside the city of Huntsville, Alabama, one of the most beautiful locations in the region, with a killer view and plenty of space for antennas. We'll have multiple stations on the air, operating various bands and modes, so there's something for everyone. Now, maybe you're not a POTA veteran. I know I've only got a few activations under my belt. That's no problem. We'll help you log your first activation contact. Want to see your portable gear in action? We'll have everything from QRP setups to full power rigs, verticals, wires and trees, maybe even a few experimental antennas. Who knows? And yes, there's food. What brings ham radio operators together more than the spirit of the hobby? Food. We're firing up the grill with proper cookout, burgers, things like that. Don't forget, too, Frank's famous beans are going to be there. You know, Frank Tank Radio, his famous beans are going to be there. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Bring a side dish. We do ask that you bring a side dish if you can, but the main goal is to enjoy a good meal together after some solid time on the air. So how you can help if you cannot attend, and we certainly understand if not everybody can attend. I'm going to show you a way that you can do that right here through HamShackTV. So this is a previous video. This was actually a little over a week ago when we interviewed Mark from the Huntsville Hamfest. Any video that you watch on HamShackTV, there is a Super Thanks video or Super Thanks button, and I'll show you how to do that. But on this particular video that you're watching right now, not the Huntsville video that's on the screen just as a demonstration, the video that you're watching right now, you should see a button that has 3 dots, or you may see a button that says thanks, one or the other. What you're going to do is click on that and click the thanks button. When you do that, this is the equivalent of doing a super chat on one of my live streams. You can choose how much money, how much you want to donate, in certain intervals, $2, $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, $50, $75, $100, $200, $400, and $500. That's the max you can do in one donation. When you do this, I'm not keeping a single penny of those super thanks that are on this particular video, the video that you're watching right now. If you do that, I will donate 100% of the proceeds to the ARRL Teachers Institute. And some of you know I'm not a big fan of the ARRL, but I do love the Teachers Institute. It is important that we continue to cultivate this hobby and bring in future hams to amateur radio. So I'm a big supporter of the ARRL Teachers Institute and excited to give back in this way. So please, folks, I implore you, hit the super thanks button on this video, the one that you're watching, and just give what you can, just whatever you can. And this is especially if you're not able to attend the POTA event at Monte Sano State Park. So let me pull this back down and go back to just me. And again, why this matters. Think back to your first contact. The excitement, the curiosity, the sense that the whole world just opened up through a microphone or a key. That's the feeling we want kids to experience in school. And the Teachers Institute makes that possible. With your help, we can give educators the resources they need to create those moments for the next generation. So here's the plan. If you're local or heading to Huntsville, join us Friday, August 15th, late morning, early afternoon, that kind of thing, at the Monte Sano State Park just outside of Huntsville. Again, August 15th. That's a Friday. If you can't make it, again, please consider hitting the super thanks button down below. Every cent will go to the Teachers Institute on this particular video. Also, please share this video with your clubs, your ham friends, and anyone that believes in keeping this hobby strong. Let's make some contacts, share some food, raise some funds, and most importantly, invest in the future of amateur radio. I'll see you at Monte Sano, or I'll see your name in the super thanks list. Either way, let's make this one count. Guys, I appreciate y'all watching. We are over a year old now. We appreciate all the subscribers and followers. And maybe you're not a subscriber yet. Please hit that subscribe button down below. That certainly helps the channel grow in any way it can. Guys, I'm looking forward to Huntsville. Can't wait. We're going to be bringing you lots of coverage from down there. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you in the next video. 73's AA4WX, WSCB 693.